We going to this NBA draft. Daniel everything here. And today. So the biggest rumor around going in the NBA is that Kevin Durant is going to the Rockets. Devin Booker is going to the Rockets. Devin Booker is going to the Pistons. Kevin Durant is going to the I think I heard 76ers. So this year, or so I guess this time, they have me rebuilding. I should stop saying they have me, but they got me same grammar. I going to trade Kevin Durant and DBOOK. But since I can't do start of today, I gotta literally wait until the off season to do it. So y'all, I will see you guys at the end of this season. If we make the no, I know what I want to do. Low key, I think I might see like what type of offers first. I don't. Kevin Durant to Oklahoma. Low key, y'all. I'm sending Kevin Durant back to Oklahoma for Chant Home. Oh, wait, y'all, hold on. Yeah, I'm sending KD back to Oklahoma for Chant Holmgren, and then we're trading D-Book. And then after this, I want to see if I can get my first round pick back so we can tank going into next year. And then once we tank, we could possibly take Cooper Flag, whoever else. We're starting from the back. Y'all. John Morant. Who owns our pick next year? Who owns Phoenix's pick? Do y'all know by heart? Kids, do y'all know? Rockets. So what if we do Jalen Green? Jalen Green, that first, and we do like a first and a second. I'll give y'all. Damn, we do not have no picks. I'll give y'all Cavs. I'll give y'all. Do y'all have no? I'll give y'all another pick. No, we're trying to tank next. We're trying to tank for the next like 2 years. Would y'all do this? They don't want it. They're trying to give up Şengün. So, or no. Can I do Tari Eason? Give me No, give me Cam Whitmore. Give me Cam Whitmore and give me give me Cam Whitmore and like the Nets first round pick, and let me get our first round pick too. Grayson Allen, yeah, y'all. Oh no, I don't want to get. Yeah, we're not gonna be taking next year. So y'all, this team is garbage, but we are taking this year to try to get a better pick. So y'all, I will see you guys at the end of this season. Peace out. Low key, I don't know how we did not tank. This team has no good players on it, and we did not tank at all. Stupid. This is why we didn't. Oh my god, we didn't tank because this man was averaging 20. Bro, I should have traded. I got Cam Whitmore because I know his potential is crazy. I did not know he can average 20 like that, bro. He should win the most improved player of the year, but it's whatever. Hobbs are not surprised if he got NBA. I know we got Chant somewhere. Chant did not make it. Defensive player of the year. Thompson twins. Nope. Okay. Oh no, Chant is out for the season. Hold on, y'all. Let me see what that says. No, out for 4 to 6 weeks. I might find my next. And we're playing OKC in the first round. Low-key, y'all, I'm praying we get swept. I'm praying we get swept because I'm not trying to, yeah. I gave Kevin Durant, yo, if they win the finals, and Anthony Davis, that was literally a rematch of last year's finals. Player retirement, LeBron's not retiring, which is crazy. Yo, let's see if I get the first overall pick, please. Projected first. I think the Jazz got it. We got 14th. Yeah, I think the Jazz got it. We got 14th. Low key, I'm trying to trade it into the top 5. If I can get, wait, who's our coach? Y'all, Phoenix don't even have a coach. They fired Mike Budenholzer. I should have fired him. Y'all know this is my favorite coach of all time, Mike Stafford, Stunford. That's my greatest coach of all time. So with this 14th 29 pick, I wanna get rid of that Bradley Bill's contract. I'm sorry. Wait, no, I can't trade him because he has no trade clause, so I guess he's stuck here. Ryan Dunn, you're staying here. Royce O'Neal, I'm sorry. I want to at least get 2. I'm gonna get 2 or 3. Because imagine we get 2 or 3, right? Come on, I got all the assets. We get 2 or 3, right? Because if we get 2 or 3, that's the thing though. I don't know if my Nets are gonna be bad next year. Okay, so we got the 2nd overall pick, right? Thing is, we do not have no point guard at all. We have no point guard at all. So the thing is, if I know Cooper Flag is gonna be taken first, right? See, I look it. Wait. Oh, we had 3rd. Oh, I thought we had 2nd. And guess what? I take Dylan Harper. That's our point guard. That's the point guard of the future for the next however long, right? He's 19 years old. We're fine. We accept our player options, whatever I want. Qualifying offers. So this is how I look at it. We got our point guard. Wait, Dylan Harper's running point guard. I think it's already going to be set automatically. So Dylan Harper's our point guard. Shooting guard. I guess Ryan Dunn's our small forward. We need a center because I'm not running a center. Low key running a Nas Reed at a center position, and Nas Reed's young. Yeah, y'all trust me. I'm smart. They should hire me as the next Bob Myers. No, they should hire me as the next Sam Presti. I'm the GOAT. I'm literally the greatest, of all time. So, right? Yeah, I don't think there's any, but we're going to bring in Nas Reed as our center. How much cap space do we have left? I'll bring back Royce O'Neal. Because if we can get some shooting off that bench, we need some shooting. And maybe a backup point guard like Spencer Dinwiddie. We're bringing the old Nets. We're also going to bring in Cameron Payne. So, yeah. No, we're also going to bring in this dude. We're going to flip him and Nick Richards to see what I can get. And, y'all, I'm about to see y'all next year. If we tank next year, guys, if we, I don't know how to say it. Is Gogon a good center? Low key, if I do this, we can have some more depth. No. We're gonna do Gogon. So right, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all next season. Peace out. Yo, I'm sorry. I'm playing neighbors. But y'all, we actually had a horrible record. So these are the awards. Whoa. So yeah, I don't think no one really got up here. So it's like depressing and stuff. So yeah. Wait, we didn't even make the playoffs. Guess what, y'all? We're taking y'all, this is our last year, by the way. So if we just tanked another year, so I think, yeah, look, we should get first. Thank you. We got first. Low-key, I'm trying to go all in. I'm trying to go all in this year, y'all. Because low-key, I could take Stokes. Or I could see what I could get with this first overall pick. So if I trade first. Dang, no one. I can't. Oh my god. Excuse me. Kristaps. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. So we run no, cause I'd rather run Dylan Harper. So what position do we really need? Let me run Dylan. Let me put Dylan Harper at point guard, cause him not being at point guard is confusing me. So point guard Dylan Harper, shooting guard. I'm fine with Cam Whitmore. Small. We need a small forward. Small forward and possibly a center. It depends what he all. 14 points, you're fine. I think we just need a small forward. We really need an improvement on that small forward position. So if we, uh, uh, low key, that Scotty Barnes offer though. That Scotty Barnes offer. I can move Scott. Oh, would they do it without Scott? Without the first? They want the first. Hold on. Let's see if I can try to convince them. Y'all hit that like button if y'all think I can do this. I'll give you 19. I'll give you our next verse. I'll give you Go Gone. Okay, no. I might just take someone with this first overall pick. Let's see who. Hunter. Hunter might be this. Thing is that no, I just thought I could get Devontae. Yo, I think I'm tripping. I can get Devontae. Yo, how's DeAndre Hunter the highest rate? Low key, should I get Devin Booker back? No, I can't because it's supposed to be a rebuild without him. I should try to get more depth off the bench, like Najee Marshall and PJ Washington. That could be some good depth. Or Pascal. Pascal backs up Chant, right? Yeah, Pascal can back out. Yeah, you know what, we're gonna do this. Pascal backs up Chant, right? We go into this NBA draft. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you. I thought Demontier is in this draft. I think I chose the wrong draft, y'all. I guess we're running with what do you call it? I really thought Demontier was in this draft. I don't know why. So yeah, those are our players, I guess. We're not. Oh no, I'm gonna bring back Bradley Bill. We're gonna bring him back. We're gonna trade him. Qualifying Chant, welcome back. Do we have any cap? No, we don't. Let me offer Chant just a random deal. Please come back. Okay, we brought him back. So with this, right, we're gonna trade Bill. We're gonna trade Bradley. Bradley Bill somewhere else. We don't want him. We're gonna trade Bradley and Obi Toppin. See what I can get for these two. Cause low key, I probably just need some depth. No. I don't know. Should I get nah? I don't know. I might keep them just no. I'm tripping. I'm getting rid of Bradley Bill. Like actually, we don't need him. Yeah, give me two first. Like I don't care. Like I'm not keeping a dude who makes 58 million who's old. Who's old like Bradley Bill. We don't need no more old people. Fine. This is a perfect deal. Y'all, I'm gonna see y'all next year. If we do not win a ring, I'm going crazy. I'm just gonna do auto generated, y'all, because it's our last year. So peace out. My last year, Tyron Stokes, our rookie of the year. Okay, those are the awards. Let's see. Nobody on our team here made the third seed. Let's see. Luka's not on that Dallas Mavericks team. We should sweep them. Double team. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like the Kevin Durant. I trip. Kevin Durant, Wemby, Jalen. Game 1. You lose by how much? 8. Now it's game 2. Okay, y'all, we're short in this rotation. So, oh heck no, we're running 8-man. Spurs. We're putting Chant on him. Chant on Wemby easily. That's the only way we're gonna have to play this. So we won that game. Dylan Harper carried us. Chant did shut down Wemby. Good job, Chant. Y'all, you have 2 7-footers. Go at it. You're safe. Okay, let's see. Let's keep going. Come on. Take this to game 7. Oh my God. I hope the Nets really draft this dude, bro. I told y'all, we need a real point guard. Once we get that real point guard, it's over. And look, we take it again. Let's see. Dylan Harper, 50-point game. Oh, it's Cam Whitmore. I really wanted to get decided. See y'all. Suns, GM, if you're watching, trade KD to the Oklahoma for Chant and trade DBOOK to the Rockets to get your own first round pick back. This is game 7. Come on, y'all, push this. And y'all suck. Ooh. Last time John Collins been. Okay, I'm not talking anymore. If y'all don't take it to the. Y'all, if we do not beat this Magic team, the Magic are not good. I'm sorry. We should take them. Of course, it's a game 7, y'all. I'm going to close my eyes. Please. I'm sorry if I don't do this right. Y'all, tell me when I should open my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Y'all did not shoot a 3. Y'all shot a 2 at the end. Y'all could not score for the past minute. Okay, let's see. Smartest point guard of all time. The Suns need Dylan Harper. The Nets need Dylan Harper. I look like Dylan Harper. But y'all, hope you guys. Oh, we went overtime. Yo, I did not know that at all. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe. I'm out. Peace. Bye.